Hi y'all. We are continuing our series on real estate terminology, and today we're going to talk briefly about title insurance. Title insurance is usually purchased when you purchase your home. If you have a loan on your house, you have to get title insurance for your lender. Then we go along and get it for you as well, but the lender forces you to have title insurance. So what is title insurance? Title insurance covers things that you really can't see that may be wrong with the title on paper per se. For example, if you bought your house 10 years ago and you bought it from an estate, maybe someone had passed away and you bought it that way, if all of the heirs weren't paid and addressed properly in the paperwork, that could come back to haunt someone. If you have title insurance, the title company will step in and most likely take care of that problem, and it's not your issue. Had you not had title insurance, it could be a big problem for you. So if you have a loan, your lender forces you to get title insurance. During the transaction, you have to purchase the title insurance, and it's costly. It's a little bit less than 1% of what you're paying for the house for title insurance. So it's very costly, but if you ever need it, it's worth it. Most of the time, the seller pays for the title insurance. It's not mandatory, but it's rather typical that the seller pays for the title insurance. During negotiations, if there's multiple offers, I have been seeing buyers offer to pay for that as well. What's the difference in title insurance or a title policy and title commitment? A title policy is actually issued after the sale is final. It's the final paperwork, the groundwork, if you would, for what the title company will insure. A title commitment is just that. It's what they're going to do. It sets out the terms of what they're going to do. A lot of folks seem to think that title insurance and homeowners insurance are the same thing. Absolutely not. They're completely different. Remember, title insurance, you can't really feel it, see it, touch it. Homeowners insurance insures your house, what you can see and feel and even smell sometimes. So those are the basic differences of homeowners insurance and title insurance. Some folks want to know if their home increases in value, say you add on to it or the market goes crazy, it increases in value, does the title insurance increase in value also? Nope, it doesn't. It's for the set amount that you paid for in the beginning. So if you want to increase it, you very likely can go back to the title company and get a new title policy and increase that amount. Kind of on that note a little bit, if you refinance, you have to have title insurance or a title policy as well. So if you refinance during a certain amount of time, you'll get a discount from what you originally paid on your title policy. A lot of folks hear the term title defect and want to know what that is. A title defect is anything that can cause a problem on your title work. For example, maybe when you purchased the home, all the paperwork wasn't done properly. Maybe you've got a piece of land that has an easement that wasn't recorded properly. Those are things that could be a defect. What does a title policy not cover? It doesn't cover things that happen after the sale. They don't cover problems with your homeowners association. They don't cover problems with you and your mortgage company. They don't necessarily cover certain taxes and assessments. So a title policy, title commitment, title work is definitely needed in a real estate transaction, and it can be complicated. Give me a call if you need some help. This is Diane Sanders at Sanders Family Real Estate.